All right, so here I am underneath, just verifying that our red and our orange, which both go to our constant hot, they are in fact on the constant hot, which is right here. Purple is our trigger. That goes to the relay where it is. That's correct. And I just had our ground from the block to the body. We know that is good as well. So now I get to have fun chasing these up into the car. Now that I've spent time laying underneath here, that's all kinds of fun. So I'm gonna work on that next. So next time you see, we'll be up above and chasing, which is right here. These run, they have the white wrap. Remember, this is where we had that short prior. And all kinds of fun. All right, so there's our positive. You see it right there, the red. All right, we're gonna follow that. Fusible link, blah, blah, yada, yada. We know, boom, goes into the car. See? Now, also, we should have voltage here at the alternator, which would also go into the car. So, I'm set up here, and then we go here, and note, we have power. So we have power at the alternator. So, now we got that going. Let's see. What's up, Zach?
Twice in 4 months. Looking back at this truck.
So we're got power there. We're gonna check our little fuse here because this should have power, which goes up into our alternator. We set up that and we will check and see what we have. So now that we're checking voltage, note I have voltage there, and that's coming out of our battery lead on our alternator into our little fuse here, which is our power to the Flex-Lite fan controller. So that goes to show us that we have power to there, which means there's power coming out of our main battery lead on our alternator. So I need to now chase from this lead here back to see where we are having our power drop off.